This is where the good stuff's at. Who would get snacks here?
I don't know, because I didn't fill me up very much.
Wait, hold on, sorry. So you go through and you just film a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
And then you cut it all out afterwards.
Yeah.
So it's not going to be like my awkward bumbling right now?
No.
Cool.
I don't know about this whole vlogging thing, man. It just seems weird to me.
Be right back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, welcome. My name is Christine. Today I'm going to be taking you thrifting with me. I picked up quite a few items here and I'll show you what sections that I like to scope in the thrift stores and all the things that I picked up and the outfits that I put together. So before we go ahead and get started, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell, and let's go ahead and get started.
Okay guys, so
yes,
we're
we got
filming.
that together. Currently?
Yes.
Wow, stress.
So I didn't want to tell you guys. This
So-
is Sid.
Hi.
There's Cindy in the back, who sporting her all black as always. So we're
I
going
trusted
thrifting today, and Sydney and I just went to have pho earlier,
And bubble tea
and bubble tea. It was lit.
from Regent. That's
Yes.
good. Sorry, I have to start with the song. No, not this song. Shit. This song. Because it's the bestest. I go to a brand and I like scroll through their Instagram page or whatever, their
Yeah.
website, and they don't have any colored people. It's all white girls. I won't buy from them. I literally won't.
Yeah.
Or like if there's a photographer that only shoots by white people,
Yeah.
no, because
Well, what if they're trying to expand though? By like,
they're not.
really?
They're not. No, they're not. And the thing is like, if lighting is entirely different on skin like mine, and I've
Yeah.
done that before, where I've shot
Yeah.
with someone who's never shot a colored person, and
Yeah.
I come back and I look orange, or like there's way too much contrast on my face or something like that, and like I can understand if like we're buds and you're trying, you know, and you approach me about it and be like, hey, like I've never shot someone with your skin tone, I'm really looking to learn, like,
Yeah.
would you mind helping me out? That's
Yeah.
one thing, but
Yeah.
like, because I don't get anything out of that. You didn't get anything,
Right.
obviously. But it's like just such a turn off to me because I feel like you don't do that on accident.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because there's bound to be
Other
some,
models out there.
Yeah, some
Yeah.
colored models that would want to shoot with you, especially like the really big ones.
Yeah.
So it's just like, I don't know.
Cindy, what do you want to make for dinner? Do you want to try not doing pasta?
I was gonna say, you guys want to make pasta?
Every time Sid's over to her, and I make think it's pasta.
I gave up on my doing the splits thing really freaking quick.
Oh, I forgot you were trying to do
Yeah,
that.
that lasted maybe 2 days. Snort.
Oh my god, I have to get on I-90. Yay! Oh, nice.
Good job, friend.
Good job.
Yeah,
Flat stick.
it's fun.
Is it fun?
Yeah, it's fun. Sorry,
Oh my
I wasn't looking. Sorry.
Good deal.
I'm like shaking. Hello! You had all that time to go! Excuse me! You make me so mad when I'm driving. People are such idiots. The other day, Brandon and I got in a huge fight because we were watching a movie and he was sitting on my pillow and then he farted.
Pink guy.
Yeah.
Gross.
I was like, what the heck?
And you got in a legitimate fight over that?
Yeah, I was like, are
That's
you?
hilarious.
I like closed the laptop and I was like, I'm not watching the movie anymore. Get off my bed.
It was actually a really long line, too. I was there for a minute.
Man. Walmart has the worst. Their lines, have you ever waited in their lines for like in-store pickup and stuff? Their lines are always the worst because it takes like hella long to get through them because there's always like one guy up there. 'Cause I like was standing in the wrong line and he was like, what are you doing? I was like, oh, order pickup. And he goes, okay, get in line. And by the time I got up to him, I said, order pickup. And he goes, oh, you go over there. But I was like, I already...
I would scream.
Yeah, I was really mad. I was there for like 30 minutes. There's this one tweet that was like, Walmart decides that to get rid of things that make shopping more stressful. Some guy was like, oh no, they're getting rid of the customers.
Yeah, what? I realized that I haven't cleaned my makeup brush like since I got it, so I threw it away. Disgusting.
How long has it been?
Rather not say.
Oh my god.
Okay.
We made it!
Alright.
This is where all the good stuff is. cute. I had to get a cart because that's a lot. Got some cool cargo pants. I like this vest.
So one of the things that I picked up was a pair of these high-waisted cargo pants. These ones I picked up in the men's section. I like to go check out the men's pants because I feel like they have a lot of the oversized look that I'm looking for. A lot of the women's clothing, like pants, are a little bit more dated, and there's so many capris and denim that isn't in anymore, so I like to look at the men's section when I go thrifting, and these ones are really great because they're high-waisted. It's hard to see the potential in them right now, but they're just a high-waisted cargo pant from the men's section, and but I think they would look really cool tucked into sock booties, so I will style them for you and show you what they look like finished. But I like these ones because they fit me really well, and it's hard for me to find like oversized pants that fit my waist really good, and these ones fit me like almost perfectly. And belted, it would just finish the look. I really like the cargo pants, make it have a cool military look, and the style pant is so in right now, and I paid like $7 for these pants, so these are a huge steal for me, and I just love that they fit me really well. They're oversized and it's a good length. So this is what the pant looks like belted. This is a longer belt that I picked up from XIXX, and it's not supposed to be this long, but I picked up a larger size in it. So I think this is a medium large, just so that it hangs down a little bit. This is what the pant looks like cinched. I think it looks really cool. And then this is what they look like tucked into sock booties. So cool. Just looks very Kim K / Kim Possible, and I just think it looks really cool. I love the look of baggier pants tucked into a skinny sock booty, and these booties are the Public Desire ones. These are the ones that I mentioned in my March favorites, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. And I think with the belts too, it just gives it a very street style vibe, so I love what it looks like right now. This is actually a swim top from Love Culture, but if you have a bra that looks kind of like this, or it has like a similar cut, you could totally do that. I just like the color of this orange one, and then this is a bomber that I have from Uniqlo. I think just the whole look pulled together looks very street style and cool and effortless, and I just love the look of the crop top with an oversized pant tucked into a sock booty. I just think it gives such a cool contrast. Okay, so this is another option if the sports bra was too much for you. You can throw on just a plain black tank. This tank I actually just picked up from Forever 21, and I just cut it really short and then I tied a little knot. So it gives a really cool street style vibe. So this is another item that I picked up, and it's just a pair of retro Nike pants. I picked this up in the men's sleepwear or activewear section, one of those, but I think these are so cool. First you're like, okay, like what would you even wear with those? But the white color is really cool because you can wear it with so many things, and with the black stripe gives it kind of like a cooler edge, and it's not just like a plain white pant. And it kind of has these buttons, so they're tearaway pants. And you can wear them with sneakers or booties or dress them up, and you can wear it with, these pants are so good, and I think I picked it up for like $10. So these are a little bit more higher price than a lot of the pants that you can find in the thrift store. And the style is so in right now, so I'm really happy that I picked these up. So for styling, I styled these with a plain black bodysuit. This one is from XIXX, and it's just a plain black one. I think it looks really cool with the black stripe, and then paired with higher higher sock booties. These ones are a little bit taller than the other sock booties that I have, but I think they're really cool because it kind of cinches up the leg a little bit, especially because these pants are a little bit wider. I don't know, I just think it gives really cool girl vibes. I also styled it with a tube top and some high top Converse. So this is another one of the pieces that I picked up, and it's just a pair of straight-legged pants. They're a little bit more of a flowy look, and it kind of looks like it's all red, but there's actually a pink and red stripe, and these are Zara. And these I originally wasn't even going to buy, but one of the ladies, as soon as I walked out of the fitting room to ask for Sydney's opinion, one of the ladies that was just walking around was like, yes. And I was like, okay, I have to get them. They're so cute. I think they're kind of a fun piece, and there's like a zipper here. So you can unzip it, and it gives it kind of a laid back, cool vibe. I think I could wear this to the office with like a plainer top. And it's just a really flattering shape. It kind of cinches the waist a little bit, and it makes me look tall, and you can wear high heels with it. So I think it's a good piece to have. The only thing is the stripes are a little bit loud, but me personally, I'm always wearing all black, so this is just a good piece to change up what I wear day to day to the office, and it's just a good fun piece. So this is what I put together for the outfit. I just have a plainer black v-neck blouse that I tucked into it, and I like flowier straight leg pants if you wear it with a more refined toe. Like a pointy toe shoe looks really pretty. There's a bunny! It's definitely very wearable. The shape of it is really flattering. It makes my legs look really long. It has the original tag still on it. And I picked it up for $15, so I think that's a really good steal. And this is one of the things that I picked up at Goodwill, and I really like it because I feel like it's a good timeless piece, and it's an oversized top. I think it's just a button-up, but it's a little bit thicker than the button-ups that I have, so I kind of like that it looks a little bit more boxier. And I picked it up again in the men's section. It's a size small, but on me it looks more of like a medium or a large. And I just like the length of it and the fit and the color. There's so many things that you can do with it, and I kind of made it look a little bit more chic with some slip-on sandals and ripped jeans, and there's just so many things that you can do with it. I feel like it's a must-have in your closet. And this is another one of the pieces that I picked up. It's just like a white thin knit vest, and it's really pretty because it has these long slits down the side, and I think it gives it a fun spring summer vibe, and it's a thinner knit, so you could wear it like year round, and I just think it's a fun way to layer different things on top of each other without it looking too simple. I think it just dresses up any simple outfits. Like, vests don't have to be complicated things, and I dressed it out with this simple tank that I have from Aritzia, same jeans that I was wearing earlier, and just some pointy flats. I think this was just like a good solid piece. I think it was only $6 too. For such a classic piece that can go with so many things, I think it's a really great buy. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and before you go, please make sure you thumbs up this video and comment down below what you would like to see next time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
They'll take me. What?
I was trying to figure out if that cat was real or not.
I like this. Is that? Where's that from? Azara?
Zara?
Zara?
Yeah, Zara.
Zara?
I know. I actually call it Zara. I just call it Zara, like Chick-fil-A. Okay?
Okay.
God, you guys are chill. Be right back. Do I take you with me?